Today, we've got a top secret tech tip that'll help you hide your files on your Android phone without using any fancy apps. First things first, fire up your My Files app. Next, navigate to your internal storage and find the folder you want to vanish into the shadows. Now tap and hold on the folder, then hit the Rename button. Slip a dot at the beginning of the folder's name and save it. And just like that, your folder disappears into the shadows, hidden from prying eyes. But wait, what if you need to access your files again? Fear not, it's as simple as a pie. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, then head to Settings. Scroll down until you find the Show Hidden Files option and toggle it on. Now, return to your internal storage and your hidden folder reappears. To regain access, simply remove the dot from the folder's name and your secret stash is yours once again. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow CellularPort for more tech hacks.